up. You ain't never sauce like this. New boy, y'all the one with
Okay. We coming in. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ralph Louis, man. Hey, what's going on? We in a VIP, man. Every day, I don't know what y'all gotta say. Every day we in here, y'all let me know what y'all got going on. It's your boy Ralph Louis. Hey, Pac and Biggie, we gonna bless up. You know we do this all the time. Are y'all stupid? Y'all thought I was gonna miss it one time or something? No, we not missing it. Cause if I don't, they gonna come after me. But hey, man, it's your boy got name Pocket Rocket. Hold on, that ain't the Pocket Rocket. Hey, Pocket Rocket J, you know I keep it on me. We in. Oh, hold on. Hey, for real though. Hey, it's really Pocket Rocket J. You know I keep it on me. You know I keep them strips on me. Hey man, it's your boy Ralph. Today we got my boy Billu. It is. Hey, Mr. Billu. Hey, we today he by himself. We ain't got Zias. Zias is not present. Today he with his girl and he finna do a goddamn. She found a rubber in my car prank. We broke up. Clickbait. I'm saying that off rip. That we broke up. That ain't real. You know, Lil Dom EV ain't going nowhere. It is. Hey man, we finna get straight to it. I don't know what else we need to say. Y'all know how hard I rock with Billu. He got a little tape coming out real soon. Y'all go catch that. I don't know when it's coming out though. So y'all just stay tuned for that. That jump hard. That's why hey, at the beginning I know that song gonna be on the tape, and best believe when I'm cruising around the city, I'm gonna definitely be bumping that. You dig? But let's get to it. Let's go. Well, would you look at that? You saw it. Well, guess we know when it's coming out.
Nah, why would you? Where did you get that from?
We're not gonna be around each other. We're not gonna be talking to each other.
I like this angle.
Yeah, I'm so freaking excited. I
like that angle.
Stuff. He got my piano. I guess we probably just gonna have to leave it out here, and you gotta go
my lips
get the
glossy.
car.
Hold up, my lips glossy as heck. You know?
I'll be mad if you drop that whole control. He didn't get the warranty. Oh, we went the wrong way.
Casio mode. The G-Shock mode. Hey, everybody wanted a G-Shock. Comment down below if you had or ever wanted a G-Shock. Everybody, whether it was a baby G-Shock, I don't care.
And I'm hungry, baby and I still haven't ate today. So yeah, we about to go to Quick Trip, but I'm so happy.
Oh, he really set her up. Cause I remember this. I can't hear them. Jalen, look. Little Ralph can't hear them.
Okay, let's sit down. Yeah, drove the car all the way.
Bro, I swear, when I walk out, hold up, bro. Hold up, my guy. When I walk outside, bro, and the sun is beaming, I can't help but do my eyes like. I can't help but do it. That junk hurts, man. I be trying to sun gaze. Shout out to this hoe.
Okay.
He burning me up though.
I'm
and I like how my
you got the
skin
video.
looking right
it
now.
turned out pretty good. I think I got a lot of stuff, but I want to prank him today. Since we already doing a video for today, I was like, shit.
Y'all like the tech? I've been had this, but y'all like the tech?
Shout out to Go Juice, because they have been on it with their pranks and shit in their videos.
No, it's my folks. We gonna react to them.
I got the video from Liv, and I'm just gonna put find the condom in the car. Like I'm gonna act like I found it in the car, but I'm gonna have to put it in my purse.
I'm drunk. I'm geeked. I'm on crack.
When I'm picking up my drink or something like that, to be like, what?
So, this is actually not Billu doing the prank. This is his girl doing the prank. But she's pranking him in a way that makes it seem like he did something wrong when he don't know what the heck going on right now. He probably just, you know, Billu always smiling. He probably smiling right now wherever he is. On here and in real life right now.
Fuck is this, you know? But
I bet he is right now. I feel that. I just know he is right now, bro.
But yeah.
That wind going nuts in the bit. What is it?
I'm
Meet me at the Quick Trip.
I need to get some gas anyway.
I'm ready.
And what else? Some backwards.
I just know you need to get gas.
You said what?
I just know you need to get gas.
Yeah, I know.
I wonder what car he has. I don't know what car he has.
I want a Sonic drink.
Them slushies, boy, them Sonic slushies. Yep. Don't play about them Sonic slushies, boy. You add some Jolly Ranchers in it.
Leggy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yo. Little preview.
I'm finna talk my
Dang.
shit.
Yeah.
Get us leave you zip tied, leave a nigga homicide. Had to put my trust
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all about.
Hold up. I think another reason why I really like this man music, like I genuinely like really F with his music, is because all this music, they sound like freestyles, or they sound like they always lit, you know what I'm saying? And I love me some lit songs. Of course, you know, I crank my little Mariah Carey, my little Beyonce sometimes, but hey.
Goddamn, the Bow album is still goddamn dropping in August. You know what I'm saying? I had to push it back. I know that a lot of people didn't get to hear about that. Maybe because you just follow me on YouTube and not Instagram, but you need to switch that right now and follow me on the gram. All on the score 1K. I just put in B-Lou and I'm on there.
Subscribe and then follow. What you want me to do, my guy?
Oh shit! Did it break? Oh shit! He grabbed his not me. So the Bow album is still dropping in August. Y'all be ready for that. You know what I'm saying? It's going crazy, man. I got some big shit on there, man. I know I got some features on there y'all need to hear. I got some banging songs on there, man. I'm trying to turn it up before y'all get to school. Bailu, you know what I'm saying?
You dig.
I got for y'all, man. We hotter in the summer, colder than the winter, man. Y'all know what the fuck going on. Bow.
Hello. I had to say it. If I ain't say it, I ain't real. No bow goes unanswered, my guy. That's one of the commandments. Don't play with it. Don't get effed up.
I just do. Okay. Bye.
I'm so proud of myself. I'm on this thing going nice. Hey man, it's nothing like some self-love sometimes. Self-love, actually not sometimes, all the time. Self-love is the best love. Remember that. Remember that. I ain't playing with you, F boy. I know you're looking at me right now. Speaking of which, what are you looking at?
Oh, look thick. Okay.
No.
But anyway,
No, you don't look thick. No.
Okay, guys, I gotta figure out which ones I want to get. They're down there. I'm so nervous.
What is she getting? You're nervous to get what? At Quick Trip. Get what?
I guess magnums.
Oh, the cons. That's what she talking about. She talking about them doms. You dig me?
I'm dropping on my change out my purse.
Here, Caesar. Thank you.
Edges on fleek. Oh, that's just a tattoo.
Magnum.
Hey.
Thank you. We'll see you later.
Can I get 10 on 9?
10 on 9. I got 5 on
Like,
it.
what is wrong with her?
6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, yeah, have a good one. Good luck with that.
Thank you.
Good luck with
In
that.
this thing.
I'm so
We in
dead. He was
this
cool.
thing.
You could tell he was a cool lad.
We in
Like
this thing, man.
QT. Hold up, don't hit the wall around me. Don't hit the wall around me. I'll go crazy. Bro, the wall is so addictive, bro. It's just so easy to. Oh, you did.
I was just dancing.
Oh, yes. Ah, she's hot, man.
Yeah, nigga, head banger, twist banger.
Hold up, B-Lou. You was rapping something. Run that back one more time. I gotta hit a little.
Yeah, nigga, head banger.
Oh.
How much did you put on there?
You dig me?
Hurry up, guys. We gotta hurry up and do this shit.
I'm done. He's right there.
Can't see me. This window's as fuck.
Oh.
One single condom on the ground.
What is that? A Mustang by the seats?
Oh, you
It look
gonna
like
do it here? I'll
the
put it under
secured
the seat.
seats.
Why you don't open this bitch. That's nasty. You wanna do that?
We don't got to, dog.
I think that would be
Nah,
really
don't
extra
open
going
it.
too far.
Yeah, don't do that.
What fuck is he used?
You wanted to go to Sonic, huh?
Oh, look at her face.
What else?
Hey, man, I need to be in the back seat too with her sister. You can come holler at me, my baby.
Yeah.
I'm finna be up.
You want some with
Yeah, did.
Head banger.
And her name Wick, I'm
Do you
sorry.
want something?
I don't really.
No, that'll be it then.
I know that don't mean nothing,
I
but
don't think you're.
I love John Wick. That's why.
How you doing? It's me.
Bishop, what the fuck is this?
She's
you
smiling.
talking
It's over.
about?
What is
with.
this?
There you go. There you go.
What is
Fix
this?
it up. Fix it up. Fix it up.
What you mean?
Look
What's
at his
that?
face.
What is this? Why is this in your car?
This is the first time we seeing him serious
Why
for
would
real
you
too.
do that, bro?
Why is this in your car?
I'm done.
Dominique.
Look. Oh my
Are
gosh.
you guys kidding? I can't talk to you. No, I'm just gonna grab the money and.
I'm so
Nah,
done.
why would you? Where did you get that from?
Give her the money.
Oh, he just
Give her the
paused
money.
everything.
So we
This man is at the register with it, you know what I'm saying? He at the register with these folks. I mean, not at the register, at the drive-through window. Hell. At the drive-through. What the? I ain't gonna question nothing. I ain't saying nothing. You know? You getting behind. No, wait, pause. Wait, hold up.
My car.
Now scratch that. You on the side
Don't
with
even
it.
sit there trying to play with me like that.
So why did I find it in your car?
There we go. Give him the two.
That
Give him
ain't
the
mine,
two.
bro.
So whose is it? Whose is it then?
She's laughing. Don't laugh.
Your friend?
It ain't mine.
It's easier for her to do it
I
because he's
can't even
literally
see what
telling
that
the truth.
is.
But
You know what it is. Look.
this man just paused everything, bro.
This ain't right, bro.
You know
Bro,
what it
that's
is.
not, bro. That's not mine, bro. I don't got.
It is yours. It's in your
No,
car.
It's not. No, it's not.
It's all
He
right.
said, "No, it's not." This man is dummy
Why
serious.
you-
You're trying to. You need. You see the.
I don't care about the lady.
Yeah, she was. I can't tell
I
if you
care
guys
about
are
these
joking.
wires in here.
It shouldn't be.
Exactly. So why is it in here?
It ain't mine.
Bruh, I'm dead. It's not.
You gonna do
It's
that
not.
right here, bro? That's not mine, bro.
Yeah, talk to her, little Lou.
I
Tell
don't
her.
believe you.
I ain't the only person that
How's
drives
it
this
not
car.
Tell her
yours?
Lou.
Everybody, I'm not the only
How is
person
it
that
not
drives
yours
this
and
car.
it's in your
I'm not
car?
the only person that drives
So
this
who
car.
car? Who
I'm not
driving
the only person that ride in this car.
Who does your-
It's not mine.
Yeah,
That's
I think
all
that's
that
what he
matters.
meant.
It is not
Who
mine.
else drive your car?
You
Okay.
and people have rode in my car.
Who? Recent.
Oh, they have road. I was so confused. I was saying it as R-O.
homies.
Hold up. When he said road, the way he said it, I was thinking of R-O-A-D, like people have road in my car. I was like, people, huh?
Don't ride in the
You
car.
know?
No.
No.
Y'all don't know? Y'all don't know? How y'all? Hey, these motherfuckers
See what
said
I'm
no,
saying?
no.
Crazy. You're crazy.
How am I crazy if it ain't mine?
Bruh. Alright, dude.
Quit accusing me of that. That's
No.
not mine. I don't care that you
I'm
found
not
it in
talking
here.
to
What
you.
I do care
I'm
that
not
you found it in here.
talking to you. I'm not talking to you.
No,
We're
should
not
nobody
being
be leaving
around
condoms in my car?
We're not
Yeah.
gonna be around each other. We're not gonna be talking to each other. We're not friends. Nothing. Nothing.
Look
We're
at
not-
look at his face.
We're nothing.
Look at his face. He looks.
Turn the camera off, dude. That's what I'm saying. Man, you...
No, we need to post this.
Nah, it ain't no posting nothing. What are you talking about?
Bruh.
Nah, no.
So people
Hell
can
nah.
know.
That's no.
You got condoms.
No.
You got condoms in your car.
Dude, turn the camera off.
No, nigga.
I'm done.
Frank.
Don't do that, bro.
Oh, yeah,
bro,
talk to her.
The lady right here, man, you saw what she did.
She said it's a prank.
Man, you got her involved in the thing too.
Right.
You got her
In the
fired.
background, y'all gonna be able to hear her.
She knew
pulling
the
up and
whole
she went off and
time.
said, ching, 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 right to the.
Wait, what she do, my
Man,
guy?
get to move the camera, man.
It was just a test.
What I miss? What I miss?
I know it wasn't mine.
What I miss?
Shit.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, y'all see Dummy B with the W. It's that easy. It's that easy. It's a piece of cake.
Well, he pissed. He pissed. Got him.
Man.
Yeah, it is.
Embarrassed.
Yeah, he was embarrassed. Talking about the
Hey, it
lady,
was for the
bro.
video.
She was like,
I can't tell.
The homies.
Okay,
You
y'all.
know?
Thanks for being in on the prank.
That might have to be my
Crazy.
thing, you know? Y'all like that? Y'all, oh. I'm finna have some merch already.
You know that was funny.
You know.
You know that was
What's gonna be our logo?
Me.
A
You
Glock.
embarrassing me, bro.
Okay,
She gonna
Shoot.
remember. She probably over there telling her coworkers right now.
Hey girl, guess what? I found man.
She said, you know the
I
crazy.
said I was giving her a
She
drink.
gonna go home and be like,
Bruh.
the craziest thing happened to me today.
You know
at
they
work.
love
Exotic.
talking like that.
This nigga got in
Goof,
trouble,
it was a
man.
prank.
His
He can
girlfriend
tell.
caught him in his car.
Crazy, embarrassing. That
It was
wasn't
for the
funny.
fans, man. Y'all already know what to do.
Bro, that's one
Dummy
person.
gang in the
Bro, you can't really be mad. That's one person that you got embarrassed in front of versus you got 1 million subscribers, so we just gonna say 1 million people that you could make smile with this, you know? Cause we in a Ville smiling.
Hell nah, see, I still gotta
What is
get
this?
you. That's right, cause you got me last time. Revenge prank
You
coming
folks
soon.
just
I got you.
matching
though,
what I
for
say
real.
perfectly.
You embarrass me like that? I got you. Don't even worry about it.
I
Don't
got
worry
you.
about it.
embarrass me. 'Cause
You
I don't know
did.
if I'm gonna embarrass you back. So, bow.
Hello, but I'm me.
Yeah.
Watch what I tell
Y'all
you.
already know what to do. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all leave a like. Make sure y'all got your post notifications on.
Hey, he said
And we
hello.
out
It don't
this thing,
count. I
man.
ain't gotta say it. Yeah, it is.
Show 'em.
Follow me all on the Score 1K Instagram and Twitter. I
Diamond
love you.
Time,
Talk to him,
Instagram,
bro.
Twitter.
Yeah,
Love
talk
you guys. Mwah. Whitney.
Whitney Moore 04.
Oh, it's Whitney. Oh.
Y'all don't follow
Wait, I could have sworn they called her Wick, like in a whole bunch. Wait! Hey man, my boy Lou done came through. Hold up, I ain't say that right. My boy done came through. You did with the sauce. Well, actually, he ain't come through with nothing. I take that back. Well, he did, but I take that back. No, I keep that. But really, who really came through with the was Dami V. You know what I'm saying? She got him. That boy was mad. He was like, that ain't mine, bro. That ain't mine, bro. This is the most serious I have seen this man. I'm just gonna say that right now. I ain't never seen him that serious. Like of course I've seen him with a straight face and junk, but usually he be smiling pretty much, you know. He be smiling. Anyways, man, this your boy Ralph Louis. Make sure you like, share, subscribe if you know. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share if you new, turn on that bell, do all that. And make sure if you're not new, you do it anyways. Cause I ain't playing. Anyway, I got too many weapons like it's GTA. Anyways, man, I'm finna get up out of here. I already done said everything that need to be said. I love y'all. Thanks for all the support. Keep on rocking with me. We ain't stopping. We gonna get this. Okay, he just our foot on the gas pedal for this 100K, man. Like, I really want this 100K. When I get this 100K, I'm gonna cry like a baby. Oh, that little Waka Flocka song, like a baby. You did. Anyways, man, I need to stop talking. I've been talking too much, but I love turning up with y'all folk, man. Hey, man, this your boy Ralph Louis. I'm finna just go ahead and scoot up out of here. I done said enough. Make sure y'all show me love. Make sure y'all share me around. Make sure y'all do everything you need to. You know the link is in the description. And everything else you need. You did.